Welcome to the boat show. I'm Bill Hackett. Today we're coming from Midnight Express and we're checking out the brand new 49 NYX. What is a NYX, you might ask? It is the Greek goddess of nighttime. Check out the forged carbon paint job on this thing. So many innovations, so many cool things on this boat. Step on board with me and let me show you around. This gorgeous boat has a length overall of 49 feet. She's got 12 feet, 8 inches of beam, only draws 30 inches of water, and guess what? It's powered by 5 Mercury racing engines, 500. It's gonna push this boat in the low 90s, but guess what? Haven't even done the testing yet, so may get some better range out of it and some better performance. Brand new boat, brand new features. So now we have an aft table here in the back end. Gorgeous for a nice little dining experience, nice little cocktail in the evening when you pull up to the sandbar. And of course this table goes all the way down into the floor, gorgeous. And then we have the seating capacity here. You got 2 forward-facing loungers, super comfortable. You got all your cup holders. Let me show you one brand new feature right over here. 12 feet, 8 inches of beam. Guess what? We get even more because we have this fantastic beach platform over here with the carbon fiber poles to keep you nice and safe. You can get the kiddos on comfortably here on the port side. We also have a dive door which you can gain access on the starboard side into the boat as well. Of course, we got twin rainwater showers so you can cool off after a day in the salt water. Here we are in the leaning post area, and if you're ready to entertain, you can do it right here in this nice little summer kitchen area. You got everything, drinks, whatever you need. But we also have that ultra-wide Garmin display so you can keep your eyes on the telemetry if you're just cruising here in the back end. And we have a nice rear-facing camera overhead as well. Massive hardtop, robust build, and we have a seating capacity up here for 6. Now right here, beautiful detailed cushions, but the best part of this, it moves forward and backwards. And we also have an articulating floor, so if you're vertically challenged, we can help you out there. Love the build here. I love the upholstery. Now let's check out the Helm. Great visibility up here. And then we have 2 wind doors on the side to give you a super quiet, super comfortable ride and more efficient. Now we have a triple Garmin array. While we're up here talking about the Garmin, we have the Midnight Express software integrated into the Garmin's up here, as well as the back and down below. So you can control all the pumps, lights, whatever you want to control here. Of course, the stereo, right here at a fingertip. Then we're on the center line when we're steering this thing, so we have great visibility because we're on center, great safety. Of course, I have my Mercury controls. I also have a bow thruster on this boat so I can get it in and out. AC, of course we got Seakeeper. This thing comes with everything, including style. Why the 49? Because they're filling in that gap between 43 and 52. This is a luxurious boat. You're gonna get it the way you want it at Midnight Express because it's custom. So let's talk about Midnight Express. It's always a party. You know you're gonna have a great sound system. We got a forward-facing kicker right here. In addition to all the JL audio speakers all over this thing and a massive subwoofer. Man, so much going on. Let's go step down below. Check out the natural light in here, right? So we have a high freeboard on this boat, but still with all these massive windows in here, it lets a lot of natural light in. And then I have this unnatural light, this headliner with built-in LEDs. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. You can tune this up any way you want it. And then of course this backrest, very comfortable. Hey, scroll on your phone, pull out the Kindle, whatever you gotta do, or I can just watch the game on the TV right over here. Then this flips down, I can spend the night, make a nice long run to the Bahamas. Got 600 gallons of fuel on this boat. It's only 20,000 pounds dry. Man, a lot going on this boat. You need to see it for yourself. This 49 NYX is all about the party. Relax, catch the rays up here in the bow. How comfortable is this European lounger? And again, check out that beautiful Midnight Express logo against that black. Then forward of the lounger, we have a nice U-shaped seating area. Got your speakers, cup holders, and we have a massive Garmin display. And we also have a table that goes up and down. You can fill it in, relax, and have more people catch the sun as well. The 49 NYX from Midnight Express is absolutely gorgeous. What you need to do is you need to take this sucker out at night, the Greek goddess of nighttime. take her for a spin, see what she's all about, and put the hammer down.